Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to trade using strategy based on technical analysis. Today we'll use support, resistance levels and trend lines. Today we'll start with a small deposit, $45, and I will try to increase this amount up to $10,000. Guys, if I will be able to do that or not, you will figure it out only at the end of the video. That's why I really advise you watch this video till the end. You may also like the way I trade and perhaps you will use it on your own trading. So let's try to find very good situations today on the market and of course earn on them. And it's time to find the first entry point. Let's go. Here we have a good confident downtrend. At the same time, as you can see, the price is now trading sideways and the chart is already starting to go beyond the lower border of the sideways. So in such a situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes down. And as the main price highs became lower, at the same time, there have also been a lot of red candles on the chart lately. All this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential to decrease. I think it is more likely that the breakdown of the sell will occur in the near future and the price will continue to move down on the downtrend. In this situation, I took 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account that the price may fall into the pro-trading zone or there will be an upward pullback. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great guys. As you can see, at the beginning the price made an impulsive bounce up from this level, but then it also went down with an impulse. This is where we made a profit guys. Also, 2 minutes was perfect for us in this situation. And so guys, let's continue. As you can see, we have had a breakdown of the lower border of the sideways. At the same time, the price continues to move downwards with mostly red candles. Here I'll open a deal for 2 minutes down because I think that the price will continue to move down on a downtrend. I have opened a deal just on another impulsive red candle. A large number of red candles on the chart as well as a breakout of the level tells us that the price has a good potential for going down. So the price is more likely to move down guys. Here we also took 2 minutes with a margin because there is a very sharp price drop on the chart without any upward pullbacks. I think we'll see such a rollback in the near future. It is with this kind of movement in mind that we took 2 minutes here. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, not bad at all. As you can see, there is not a big price pullback going up here. Nevertheless, our deal closed below the entry point, which means we got the profit, guys. So as you can see, the time of the transaction wasn't the most perfect, but still we were able to earn money here. And so guys, let's continue. Here the price is moving on an uptrend and is currently trading sideways. At the same time, we see that the chart is already moving beyond the upper boundary of the sideways, which is also the resistance level. In such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes down, since there is now enough space left to reach this level. At the same time, we also see that the last time the chart touched this level, it rebounded downwards. And it began to move towards the lower border of the sideways. We can see such a decrease this time as well. Also here I took into account the impulsive price growth. Here there were formed several impulsive candles in a row. At the same time, no pro-trading or price rollback downward occurred. Therefore, I think that we are more likely to see such a decline now, guys. Here we also took 2 minutes. And of course, taking into account that the price may go above our entry point. This is exactly what we are seeing at the moment, guys, and only then it shows some kind of decrease. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, not bad at all. As you can see, the price moves according to our scenario and here we made a profit. We also chose the right time for the transaction this time and let's see what happens in the market next. So as you can see further, the price returned to the sideways boundary with an impulse. And at the moment the graph touches its lower boundary, in such situation we will open a deal for 2 minutes up, guys. Since it is more likely that after such a strong fall near this level, a reaction will occur and the price will bounce up. As you can see, having previously entered this zone several times, the price rebounded upwards, so we can see such a movement now. Also, there is still a lot of space left on the chart before the upper border of the sideways. This is the price has a good potential to increase. We also took 2 minutes here, taking into account the possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price just got into the pro trading zone and it didn't move significantly. 2 minutes in this situation wasn't enough to see good growth, but still our deal closed above the entry point and we managed to earn money on this deal. I suggest that we continue and find another situation on the market. Here we have a good confident downtrend. I have marked a trend line for the main price highs. As you can see, a new price high has formed slightly below the trend line, and at the moment we are seeing some kind of attenuation. In such situation, we will open a deal for a minute up. I think that the price is more likely to pull back up to the trend line. There is still a sufficient distance to it. It was from this area that the price showed an increase last time, and as you can see, the price often makes such pullbacks up. All this makes it clear to us that the price has the potential to grow. Here we have taken a 1 minute, taking into account that this transaction is against the trend, that is against the main downward movement of the price. I think 1 minute will be enough for a small price movement up. And let's wait for the result, guys. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price moves clearly according to my scenario and makes an upward pullback. Of course, in this deal we earned. Even a 1 minute was perfect for us. So guys, let's continue. So here we had a breakout of the trend line. There was a price reversal. Now the price is moving on an uptrend. In a situation like this, I will open a deal for 2 minutes up, because I think that price will continue to move up. At the same time, the main price lows on the chart became higher, and we have also seen a large number of longer green candles lately. All this suggests that the price has a good potential for growth, so it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up along the upward trend. Here, guys, we also took 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account the pro trade or the price rollback down. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, that's great. As you can see, the price continued to move up, and here we got a great profit. 2 minutes in this situation was perfect for us. I have the first 1,000 on the balance, and I think this is an excellent profit from our initial deposit. I suggest we continue and find another entry point. Okay guys, here I marked the trend line for the main price lows. At the moment, the price is once again coming to the line. Here I will open a deal for 2 minutes up. I think there will be a reaction near this line and the price will bounce up. At the same time, there is still enough space left until the last price maximum, and also a large number of impulsive green candles on the chart indicates that the price has a potential for growth. So it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up on an uptrend. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showed a slight increase, and here we made the profit, guys, so let's continue. Here the price is moving on a downtrend. At the same time, we see that the price has made a strong pullback up. And then there was a strong drop in the price. The new price minimum turned out to be lower than the previous one, and at the moment the price is rolling back up again. Here I propose to open a deal down because I think the price will continue to move down. At the same time, we see that the main price highs are also decreasing, and there have been a lot of red candles on the chart lately. Previously, the price had already made small upward pullbacks, but then it continued to move downwards. All this tells us that the price has a good potential for decrease, guys. So it is more likely that the price will continue to move downwards on a downtrend. Here we also took 2 minutes, guys, with the margin, taking into account that the price may fall into the pro-trading zone or there will be an upward pullback. And I think, guys, we have to wait for the end of our deal. Great! As you can see, the deal closed at the level of the previous minimum. And here we made a profit. Guys, 2 minutes in this situation was also perfect for us. And I think we will continue. So here we had a breakdown of the support level. At the moment, the price is rolling back up. And also here we see a kind of attenuation. In such situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes down. We also had a lot of space left until the last price low. At the same time, the main price highs became lower. Also, breaking through the level gives us to understand that the price has a good potential for going down. Therefore, I think that in the near future, the price will move downwards on a downtrend. We took 2 minutes here for this transaction, since the time will be just enough to see a good price decrease. So guys, all of this take into account pro trade or a pullback up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. As you can see here, the price fell into the pro-trading zone and we didn't manage to see a price reduction as such. But guys, our deal closed below the entry point, so we managed to earn on this deal. Guys, let's continue. Here the price is moving on an uptrend. At the same time, we had a fairly strong pullback at the support to the support level, and then the price bounced up. For the second time, a rebound followed from this level again. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes up, since there is still a lot of space for the last price maximum. At the same time, we also see that there have been a lot of green impulsive candles on the chart lately. All this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential for growth, and it is more likely that the price will bounce up from the support level this time in this situation. We took 2 minutes, guys, with a margin, and let's just watch the chart and see what kind of result we will get. So guys, that's great. As you can see, the price continues to move up and we got the profit here. In the same way, 2 minutes were ideally enough for us in this situation. Guys, just look at my balance. Meanwhile, I have $12,000 on my deposit. With that, I propose to end our trading session just because I fulfilled my trading plan. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to learn something new. If you like the way I trade, you can use this strategy on your own. So trade and train, stay calm and be patient. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave the comment down below what do you think about our trading session today. Also, guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals. Text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the links will be down below. Guys, I wish you to have a successful trading sessions. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.